Hello everybody, welcome back. So in this video I'll be showing you one of the greatest features in CorelDraw to help you design. It's called the Artistic Media Tool, which is this one. It's used so that when you draw on your draw on your workspace, for example this, there will be this brush looking effects that's generated by tracing the strokes just like so. You can make some word marks with this feature just like this, for example, hello. Then you can also change the style of your stroke, for example this. Then you can even make some paintbrush kind of effect, just like this. You can move it a bit to have some spacing. You can even design your Chinese characters as well by clicking, let's say here. Then you can make some random Chinese characters as well as part of the calligraphy, just like this. This is just an example. Alright. You've made some pretty cool strokes for your artworks or for your logo graphs as well. And that's it for the video about Artistic Media Tool, one of the greatest features in CorelDraw to help you design. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, but for me it's good day. Ciao.